Hey YouTube, it's me Kristianna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to When in Doubt Pink. Ooh, I'm really excited about this video. And welcome back to a pink blink. I forgot to say that part. Pink blink. Okay, so before we get into things, I just want to say thank you so much to Mint and Lily for gifting me some of their jewelry in exchange for a review. Look at me, y'all, I'm doing it. Mint and Lily is actually a brand that I've been seeing around a lot lately. Like, I actually keep getting served the ads even before I decided to do this collab, right? So they're really high quality jewelry, but they're also affordable, very pretty, and they do name pieces, customized name pieces, which I love seeing my name on stuff. Is actually a love language. Anywho, just to clarify one last time, they gifted me the jewelry in exchange for an honest review, and so we're gonna keep it a buck. You already know how I'm coming. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. I have been expressing so much patience in not opening this up without you. Okay, I'm excited. Let's do it. Got my handy dandy scissors. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, girl, this is Frencher. Look. I don't know if you can see really good, but it's in a dust bag. I should have said to you, I got 3 pieces from them. They gave me a little budget, and I was able to pick out what I wanted, right? And so I got 2 pairs of earrings and a necklace. Girl. All right, now this is, it's giving luxury a little bit, huh? Let's get into it. Okay, so they're in a dust bag in a box. There's a box here. I'm excited. Is this a note? There's a note in here too. That's really nice. The other thing I've been noticing about this company is that they're really generous with the discount codes. They have a discount code here for me, but also I have a discount code for you, but we'll get into that at the end. Okay, let's open. Let's touch stuff. Ooh, this is nice. Even the box is nice. I should just show it to you. Even the box itself is really nice. I like that they took a lot of care. Ooh, and there's a little, ooh, this feels nice. Sorry, there's a little piece of suede in here, I guess, to be able to get the smudgies off. They took a lot of care. You already know I got me a K necklace. It really is a love language for me when people naturally want to say my name in full, Kristianna. I feel like I have a princess name. I love my name. Say my full name, you know what I mean? Don't shorten it. But also I really love when people spell my name correctly, and I love to see people write it. I love to see my name written in other people's handwritings. I love to see my name on stuff, embroidered, name necklaces. I love, even this is an initial. I love it. And also it just feels really sophisticated. I'm really into it. This is gorgeous. I won't put it on right now. Ooh, this chain is really pretty too. This is giving quality. Look at this. Look at this. The chain is so nice. Let's figure out how to detach it from the cardboard. This is so nice. I think I'm gonna keep the boxes. Okay, I have nails on, and the clasp is actually really easy to undo, which is also a plus. You know, I live by myself, and sometimes it can be really hard putting jewelry on, taking it off, finding it, picking it up from off the floor. Girl, don't get me started. Yeah, this is actually pretty easy. Yeah, get my hair out the way. Ooh. I love it. I love it so much. Now the top I have has a little bit of a collar, but if it didn't, this would really be sitting. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, I love this. This is so grown woman, period. Okay, let's get into these earrings. I'm in love with this necklace. I might have to go back and get my mom one. Okay, so the earrings also come with a little suede piece. And oh, look at the little dust bag. Look at it. I have very small hands, by the way. And it's so little. I love it. You ever heard of what they call cute aggression? When things are really small and cute, you want to eat it. That's how I'm feeling right now. Wow, these are gorgeous. These were pretty online, but they're really gorgeous in person. Look at these. Okay, so I'm a pearl girl. And I've never seen a design like this before. And so I was like, okay, gotta do it, gotta get into it. How gorgeous are these? I'm putting them on. Let's just do it. Ooh, the back piece on it is really tight fitting, which is also good, so you're not gonna lose these. Ma'am, yes, it's giving like sophisticated lady. I love this so much, period. Okay, let me show you the last ones. Actually, I think I'm just gonna leave this one in here. Okay. Oh, I got another little baby dust bag. Oh my goodness, these are bigger than I thought they were, and I'm really excited about that. Okay, so since it's like Valentine's Day time, I really wanted to get these hearts. They're just like very uniquely shaped and beautiful. Yes, you know I gotta try it on too. Try this one on too, period. I love the color. Is this a weird thing to say? I really like the color, the shade of gold that all of these pieces are coming in. Like, look at that quality. I'm into it. I'm really into it. These are so beautiful. I don't know, do I have a favorite? I think I like these because they move, you know? But also I love a good like post stud earring. Time and place, I think, for each of them. But these are both gorgeous. But actually I think the necklace is my favorite. Anyway. Yeah, not a bad word for me. This is really, I'm gonna put these dangly ones on so they can match, because I've decided today that I'm gonna wear these. Not a bad word from me. Mint and Lily, you got a new fan in me, okay? We talking quality, we talking affordability, accessibility. Hello. Good material, so they not gonna tarnish, because I've had that happen with other brands before. And I see y'all be having regular sales and free shipping over, I think it's like $65. Girl, this is me. So listen, I'm petitioning that Valentine's Day be all month long, period, okay? Whether that's self-love, love with a partner, you know what I'm saying? All the things, a friend love, all the things. If you're interested in shopping Mint and Lily, I have a coupon code for you. Okay, all right, I'm gonna put it up on the screen. That's 20% off. You better get into it. So pretty, period. Anyway, that's about it for me. Thank you so much again, Mint and Lily, for working with the kid. I'm really excited about this. And I hope that you will all support me in stopping by the shop and looking. Give it a look. Maybe get you a little name necklace. You know what I'm saying? Period. Love it. All right, y'all. Bye.